Wait, hold on. What if I tell my story, I make a video, I publish, and nobody cares?
I have some bad news for you. They don't. At least not yet, anyways. Nobody cares about your story the moment you publish it. Not your mom, not your biggest fan, not the stranger scrolling at midnight looking for answers. Most creators hear that and they quit. Or worse yet, they never get started. But that fear, it's actually pointing you in the exact direction of the thing that you need to fix. I'm going to show you why nobody cares yet, why that's maybe not the problem you think it is, and the shift you can make that gets people to actually care about your story. Your story is not interesting. Not because you're boring, not because your life isn't valuable. It's because a story on its own is just something that happened to you. Nobody wakes up in the morning and says, I really hope a stranger on the internet tells me about their journey today. That's not how attention works. That's not how any of this works. People don't care about your story. They care about what your story can do for them. Here's the shift that almost nobody makes. Stop telling your story and start using your story. Your story is a tool, a vehicle, a delivery mechanism for something the viewer actually wants, like a lesson, a warning, a shortcut, or a permission slip. Think about the last time you watched a video about someone else's life and actually stayed for the whole thing. I bet you didn't stay because their life was just so much more interesting than yours. You probably stayed because somewhere in their story you saw yourself. Their failure looked like one that you're scared of. Their breakthrough looked like something that you're chasing. Maybe their dumb mistake looked like something you would love to avoid making yourself. And that is the whole game. Your story is the bait. The insight is the hook. For example, we had a client, Matt Sonnenberg, travels the country collecting Skylanders, real niche, passionate audience. He brought us a video about one of his trips across the country. Original version was him traveling and occasionally vlogging on his phone, telling the story of what happened. We knew no one outside of his core audience was really going to care that much about that. So we instructed him to shoot a talking head recap video after his trip in the studio that we helped him build. Then we cut the narration and the travel video together like a video game. His adventures across the country playing out like levels, each new state line crossed, a level up, and each box of Skylanders, a loot crate. The viewer wasn't watching Matt tell a story anymore. They were watching themselves go on the trip with him. 27.6 times his average views, biggest video on his channel. The story didn't change, the delivery changed. And suddenly the audience wasn't listening to Matt tell a story. They were living it with him. If the insight isn't there, it doesn't matter how polished your video is or how dramatic your backstory sounds. People will click off in 5 or 6 seconds and never come back. Does that all sound like it makes sense so far? Yeah, I think I understand now. Let me see if I got this right. That fear you have, the what if no one cares fear, that's the right question. Most creators never even ask it. They point a camera at themselves and start to monologue about their life like the whole world was just waiting to hear all about it. You asking, will anyone care, means part of your brain already knows the truth. And that truth is, the story isn't enough on its own. So stop treating that fear like a reason not to make the video. Start treating it like a checklist instead. Before you hit record, ask yourself one question. What does the viewer walk away with? If the answer is they just learn more about you, cut it. If the answer is they walk away with something they can use, something that changes how they see a problem, or something that makes them feel less alone in their journey, hit record. Here's something that took me way too long to figure out. I've been on calls with potential clients, with current clients, with students. I tell them a story about myself and they're locked in. They're nodding along. They're asking great questions. And then they tell me later that the story I told them was one of the reasons they decided to work with me. Then I record that same story, same words, same delivery, publish it, crickets. For a long time, I couldn't figure out what the difference was. Then one day it hit me. The viewer on the other side of a video is a completely different animal than the person on the other side of a video call. There are 3 reasons why: attention, stakes, and social contract. Each one of those is doing invisible work on a call that a video completely strips away. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. It changes how you tell every story on camera. If you want me to break all of these down in a future video, drop the word attention in the comments below. Most creators never figure this out. They just keep wondering why the story that works in the Zoom room dies once they tell it on camera. All right, so what have we learned today? Nobody cares about your story. They care about the version of themselves that they see inside of your story. Your job isn't to make your story more dramatic. Your job is to be the mirror your audience can see themselves in. If you do that, the fear doesn't go away, It just stops being a problem that holds you back. It becomes the thing that tells you which videos are worth making. Being that mirror to your audience can help you fix one video at a time. But if you want to stop guessing every time you want to make a new video and actually know which ones to make next, in what order, where do they live, how do we track them, and how do they all connect together, that's a strategy problem. It's why we built Hot Sauce Strategy, and that's wrapped around our methodology called the Solar System Methodology. It's the only video content strategy that I teach. Now, one video won't give you the entire system, but this one will show you exactly where to start.